PSL Pulse bafethu we are live from News Cafe Meyersdale bafethu kusori my brother Putom kunjani?
Siyaphila khona kunjani but
Hayi ndiyaphila mhlekazi man. Hayi sibona namhlanje bafana versus Mexico.
yeah.
Uyibona kanjani game namhlanje?
Yeah, it's a difficult game to predict because it's the first game for the World Cup. So and even we didn't have proper preparation, so we can't know what to predict. But I just saw a lineup. Yeah, we were too defensive. I was expecting Uguti where maybe defensive or midfield we're gonna overload because the opponent is too powerful and he is more experienced than us. But the concerning part, you can't overload the defense and overload in midfield. Kungabi na creativity, yeah. But it's so sizwa ukuthi kune experience yama players like our Sundowns because Umutiba maybe is gonna play more of a midfield because tactical, flexible. No Reynas, he can move right angene inside. Even Adams, he can play anywhere as a 6, as a 8, as a 10. So I'm expecting maybe sometimes Adam Uzo were closer to Foster. No Reynas, abe closer to Foster. Sometimes Reynas wing. Then Umutiba azoncedisa because I just heard that in Mexico is more dangerous when he's coming wings. So I'm expecting Umbugaza move more left. Ibe ngusibisi no Ocon no Mutau. Then I'm excited to see again Usibisi no Mbogazi because their combination with Paris it seems like icon understanding ekhoyo. But with more overloads in Abostole and stuff, I'm worried what is going to happen. It reminds me a game here Brazil and Ibafana Bafana 2009 Confederation Cup whereby Danny Alves. Because we were just answering our questions. But it's in Brazil we are. So I'm just wondering maybe Umadala we gonna answer my question in Mexico Tina what you are going for, but akangomuntu othanda ukuchange the only concern but I was expecting ukuthi uzo defender but I'm worried about this thing, but we'll see.
Okay my brother, enye into ebengifuna ukuza kuyo because as you just said that midfielder is congested and also the back five. I think we're going to be okay to start with the back five but add at least an attacking midfielder. But now looking at that, when we defend, remember just said Mexico is always good when it comes in wing side. So remember now that box is going to be congested now. So don't you think anything, because with VAR around, don't you think those mistakes, the penalties or anything can happen with the defense that's congested like that?
Yeah. No, the only positive thing that we have in that midfield, we have the experienced players because Sitole and Umquen has been playing together for a long time and Adams has been playing in KF and is playing with Umquen. Maybe they will. I don't trust coach tactics. Sorry about that, but I trust our players. Maybe Umquen and Abu Adams and Sitole can maneuver something. Say okay, me and we're gonna play as a half 10 and as a half winger, try to play a progressive role, then leave maybe Stolle, because what I heard that in Mexico they use wings and then they use cutbacks to score their goals because they are not strong aerially. So it's gonna depend maybe on the intelligence of the players, but I'm really disappointed because you can't overload defense and overload the midfield. And you don't have a solution, and we are poor in terms of who score a set piece. I don't know where Osiso score kanjani. But man khuluma nabantu umadala ngumuntu wenhlahla. Singawina singayazi ukuthi siwine kanjani. Then thina abantu aba-analyze okanye aba-30 opinions ibe ngathi we are negative about the coach because the coach has been doing very well, but the problem is sometimes ama-tactics abuya mshaye, sometimes but football ifavorisha laba coach bangadlala ibhola pleasing emehlweni. Maybe we're gonna get some positive results, but I'm disappointed with the lineup.
Another thing bengiza kuyo ukuthi Mexico is on another form because apparently it's on a streak of winning games. So now that momentum abazo pick up kuyo And now when they play against a team that's sitting back and not attacking them, don't you think that's gonna bring even more fire from Mexico City?
Yeah.
These people are not fighting; they are just sitting back, answering questions that we have,
Yeah.
and not doing anything productive.
Yeah, but I was expecting that somehow we have to overload because we need to play mid-block because we need to respect Mexico, especially the first 25 minutes. But I'm worried about you can't overload the defense, you overload the midfield.
Where are you gonna get creative?
Where you gonna
When we
play?
don't go-
Yeah, but
Yeah,
I'm trusting the experience of Sundowns players. Maybe they will try
will
to
do
maneuver
something.
something because Mutiba is very intelligent. He can come and play in the midfield. He can play. Then maybe Adams he can play. But I don't know what
And
we're
one
gonna.
thing I was about to add, we're lacking pace.
Yeah,
That's
and
another thing.
even Foster is old form. Even Urenas, as much as I trust Urenas, but Urenas confidence is down.
different.
Yeah, but.
I think
Yeah,
it's gonna be different in that
yeah.
position, yeah.
But I remember Pizzo Musimane saying, you can't play football of hopes. But today we are playing football of hopes. We are hoping something to give. Yeah, maybe the football gods will just give us. But I'm really disappointed with the lineup. Yeah.
Putom Dabulela, ngicela ungiphe i-prediction yakho ke namhlanje.
The prediction, if I'm not speaking from the heart, I'm speaking as a football like
Football fan,
yeah, like
Football
Mexico with experience nayo hosting 3 World Cups. Is the 3rd World Cup he hostayo.
Yeah.
Almost every World Cup he's
was
been
doing
there.
good.
He experienced team. I see Mexico beating us 2-1, but I trust Madala. Maybe, hopefully,
They can
we can get
miracle.
1-1. But I don't see us winning the game. Maybe we can get maybe
a
a draw. Yeah, because Madala ngumuntu wenhlahla.
Dabulela Putom.
Thank you.
Thank you.